Hello YouTube. This is Mark Woods with another video. We're gonna be taking this radio out and getting it to the back here. But look at my windshield. You know what I'm saying? Look at the temperature. You know. So we gotta do it in the cold today. You know, and it don't matter, we're gonna do it. You know what I'm saying? Just gotta find a way to keep myself heated up. So we'll be back. We're back in here. As y'all see, we're getting in here. Man, if a person wants to try to steal this radio, they'll go crazy, man. You got so many screws. Like, y'all seen when I did. I hope if none of y'all seen the video with the radio install, they go all those screws right there. They gotta come out, and they gotta come out from basically everywhere. Basically all over the place. I gotta keep the car on right now because it's cold outside. So I'm going to be careful doing this though. So I'm gonna have to let myself heat up a little bit. Then I'm gonna go ahead and unconnect all the negatives real quick, and let's go ahead and get her on out of there. All right, guys, to follow up. Everything is out. Yeah. I looked at the RCA jacks just to give it a little concern, like, is any of them burnt out? Nope. The connector looked pretty good. I mean, everything, I don't see no issues. I don't see no issues and stuff. Everything looks good to me. If you guys see any issues, let me know in the comments. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and disconnect it back in about a few minutes. I'm gonna take a little break and run upstairs for about a minute, and while we're here, we might as well examine the back of it. The RCA jacks look pretty good. No burning nowhere. And the reason I'm checking for any burn or anything that's out of the ordinary is because when I talked to my brother Worm, you know what I'm saying, he was telling me one of his radios did that, and it burnt the back of his RCA jacks. But let's get it all plugged back in then, And I was using the USB. See, it focus. I was using the USB, and I tucked it over here, like my bass brother Bass and Shane said. But I never used the USB feature, So I don't know. I might just tuck it back behind the dash and say forget about it for right now. Because, every time I try to use the USB feature, it goes into loading and it's trying to, and I don't save no music on my phone. All my music was on Google Music, and it transferred over to YouTube Music, which I'm, finally starting to get used to it. Like, those of you who use YouTube Music, and if you have a playlist on YouTube Music, download that whole playlist so you can listen to it, when you ain't got the internet working. But we'll be back, y'all. We're about to go ahead and hook it back up and see what happens. And I got this from a little video that my brother Low Hertz sent me. Shouts out to Low Hertz. He always helping me out with a lot of comments. He's a fellow bass head just like I am, and a part of the DIY gang. Y'all can also check out his videos because he does videos too, of his 18 sound cubes. So yeah, we'll be back with the radio connected. Oh man, a little work though, but It's working. So it's working for now. Hopefully it don't go back into that mode again, but you know what I'm saying, it might do. I think the only way I can avoid it going back to that mode is probably even changing the RCA jacks. If I had another pair of RCA jacks, I would have definitely just probably ran them to the back. But what I might do is, you know, and I hate going back into the dash though, but I got to go back in it next weekend too, just to run a new RCAs that I'm gonna get, and I'm gonna have to tear the whole sides off. So hopefully I can get somewhere warm to do all that. But if I got to be in the cold to do it, it is what it is. So we're gonna be right back with a super dope demo. We back, y'all. We back. Now, maybe we can talk a little bit about this box. You know, it seemed like the system issues been dominating the fact, and you know, dominating that, you know, that we got the box, the new box still, but it ain't been able to get that much experience though. But how I feel about it right now, it's like, what could I say, man? It's doing good, man. I mean, now I talked to my boy, you know what I'm saying, who built the box probably the other night. I was telling him I wanted to be a little bit lower, so we might do a little project on it, like, and you know what I'm saying, get it back lower, tune it lower. So we might do that just to see if it can get a little bit lower. But the sweet spot for it is like anywhere from 31 hertz to 35 hertz. It does good in one of those areas. And that's what I'm about to find, like something that's up in the 35 hertz range, you know. But I like the box. You know, it plays every song good. You know, now it can get a little bit lower though, but you know what I'm saying? But like I keep repeating myself, the other box was tuned lower, you know what I'm saying? So, but the things is, I can't, you know, I want to have my cake and eat it. You know, I want both. I want the lows and highs. You know, I just don't want one or the other, you know. But if I had to choose, I would probably choose the lows over the highs, because the lows just rumble and tumble a lot more than the highs do. So that's why I wanted to get a little bit lower, you know what I'm saying, to like at least, you know, anywhere from 23, 24 hertz. I want to be able to play something that low again, you know. But let's go ahead and check out something, y'all. All right, let's get started with the demo. It's called Gangsta Paradise. Let's hope the car can play this, man. This is a very heavy bass song, so hopefully all the, you know, the battery wire and the RCA jacks can withstand the power. So let's go.
Making whoopers slap and rookies tap. It's DJ Rusticles.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even with all the things that my mind is gone, but I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. He be treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch how you're talking and where you're walking, or you and your homies might be lying to chalk. I really hate the jump, but I gotta know. As they groove, I see my soul in the pistol smoke. I'm the kind of nigga little homies wanna be like, on my knees in the night, saying prayers in the street light. they want, I guess they front. That's why I know my life is out of control.
Oh, that was beautiful. Oh my goodness, that was beautiful. Man. We did all that together, man. I haven't heard the music blasted that loud in a long time. So I did that with you guys, but it sounds great, man. That sounded great. I mean, actually, you know, I feel like turning it back up again, but we ain't gonna do all that, you know. I think we been did a nice nifty video already, so but I hope you guys like the video. If you do, smash that like button. Thank you guys for watching always. If you're new, you should consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.